Multiscale Systems has devised advanced thermoplastic composite structural components as replacements for steel in heliostats. For concentrated solar power systems to compete against other thermal energy sources like natural gas, they need to be more cost-effective, and steel is costly. It's also heavy, requires specialized equipment and training, can succumb to environmental damage, and suffers from volatile pricing. We aim to reduce component costs to a starting point of $15 per meter squared, compared to the current $25. Designs are focused on replacing conventional heliostat structural components like torque tubes, trusses, struts, and purlins. The components are unique in that they contain Metacore, a patented core technology that provides 8 times the specific strength compared to steel, enabling lighter structures without compromising structural integrity. Our components enhance heliostats by being UV and corrosion resistant, sustainable and recyclable, lighter and easier to install and repair, and experience less fatigue from thermal cycling. Multiscale's current success with a similar technology is already reducing steel usage and providing lightweighting to commercial trailers. As with transportation, scalable manufacturing is key to enabling CSP at utility scale. Our innovative material design has a track record of improving existing technologies, positioning us for success in proving out our preliminary designs and prototypes in the next contest.